6-inch parting, something. I'm gonna leave it all down below, but as you guys can see, there's like no lace whatsoever right now, and it's like literally crazy. That's the one thing about this wig that I know is like just, you know, it's crazy. Oh, this is a full lace wig. Get out of here. I'm sorry, you guys. This is a full lace wig. I just remembered when I was in my head. But yeah, and in the front it's transparent lace, and then the rest of the wig, I believe it's like a light brown. It does like kind of have like a switch off, like a part where it's just like invisible in the front, and then halfway through like the rest is like the light brown lace. So yeah, this is really nice. First impression of it, when I first got it, I'm like, okay, this is already fire. I already knew it was. And the lace is just amazing. I posted a picture and video on my Instagram story just showing you guys the lace on this wig, and it is crazy. I have to say that this lace is probably the best lace I've ever had from any other company. It literally took nothing to make it melt. I didn't apply makeup to the lace at all. I honestly didn't do anything to the lace except for just cut it, and I applied it. I bald capped underneath, and honestly the lace was just so transparent that I had to most of the time try to make the bald cap blend in with my scalp, so that way it wouldn't be noticeable underneath the wig, like you can see the line, because the lace is just so transparent and you can see like literally right through it. So whatever you apply it on, it will just show through. So if you don't have like a really big, I mean, if you have like a bigger forehead, you probably wouldn't even have to like do the whole bald cap thing. I know people that has like bigger foreheads or whatever, they don't usually do it because it's like they can apply the wig safely without even getting on their hair at all. So I kind of feel like this would be really good for you if you just wanted a wig that you can easily apply and you don't have to do the most to make it blend in, because it will just go right into your skin, which is really, really nice. So yesterday I bleached the knots on this. They do not come pre-bleached or anything. You have to do that yourself. So I bleached the knots and they bleached pretty well, which I was excited about. It just helped to blend way more, and I only had to bleach it one time, and the hair lifted pretty fast. Honestly, I feel like if you're doing this, you should keep a really close eye on it. I wasn't focused on it, and I kind of low-key forgot. And I over bleached like just certain parts like further back in the wig just because I was not paying attention. But you can't see it, which is pretty good. The lace is really, really thin as well. Like really thin, like so thin that I like almost ripped a hole in it just trying to pluck it, which is crazy. But yeah, I don't know how I did that, but somehow I did. So I applied it with bold hold this time because it is an invisible lace, and I just wanted to see what the rave was about, and I really wanted this install to look like my hair, look like scalp, look like, you know, all that in a bag of chips. I did straighten it yesterday thoroughly, and I did cut a little bit of the hair, but I decided to cut it way shorter than what it is now. So that's why I'm going back, and I'm just going to film it. I should have recorded me installing it, but I was really just trying to see like how it would look on my own time, and just take my time with it and try to really do the install. I made do the install as best as I could. I don't know why I keep just stopping. Like, I'm having brain farts right now. So this hair does get pretty straight. It actually came wavy. You guys are gonna see a clip of when I Ooh. There's gonna be hair all over me for like 500 years. I should do. Yeah, this is like the perfect length. I love this. This right here, like this, barely touching the shoulder. Cute. So I'm probably just gonna speed through this, but I'm just gonna cut the rest of the hair. You guys are gonna watch me do it. And yeah.